Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alex from Motorized Life. Once again, hope all of you have been safe and well. So a few months ago, I actually bought two bikes off a viewer for $700. Each one had a bit of work to do. Got them all fixed up, and I was just about to go on a ride, and it's so nice out, figured I'd take you guys with me. So we're going to take this thing out for a spin and see what she's got. All right, so let me show you exactly what I got here. So each one had their own problems, mainly with the wheels themselves. Got this Fat Moto, which I did a couple mods to get that thing going, and then got this BCA 29-inch mountain bike, which had a offset intake when I got it. Replaced that with a short intake, and the wheels, these 29-inch wheels, you can see they're pretty skinny as is. When I got them, they were pretty loosey-goosey, so I whooped out my super fancy, super expensive truing stand. Yeah, forks, fan base, a couple of zip ties. You can make a pretty good setup there if you have to. So got the wheels all straight on this thing. Finally took this exhaust I had laying around, slapped it on there, welded up a stock end. That way I could put the cap on if I wanted to be quiet. But this thing was pretty new when I got it. It's been broken in with 32-to-1. Finally moved it up to 40. And we're gonna take it for a ride and see how she does. So let's hit it. All right, let's go see what this thing's got. I'm gonna open her up a little bit and see what's up. Don't forget safety first. Got this helmet off of Amazon, pretty nice. But let's see how this new camera mount works out too. Doesn't sound too bad. Hands are cold. Whew. All right, I didn't think it was that cold, but man, my hands got cold. Luckily, I had these gloves in my backpack, so let's get back to riding. My hands started to cramp up. So it's about 44, almost 46 degrees today, but it feels a lot colder when you're riding. traffic sucks. Fast there. Yeah, so I'm not going to say how fast it goes, but it goes pretty fast. Let's see if we can turn around and head back up and do the trail. All right, yeah, now that I finally got this thing opened up, I can see it needs a lot of tuning, but winter is also coming. Now there's a trail back here somewhere that I used to go on. I haven't been on it in about a year, so hopefully it's not overgrown, but let's see if this pipe helps or destroys acceleration on the low end. This is a 29 rear with a 44 tooth, so hopefully I can get a little bit of a little ump on this trail, but let's get her started. All right, so you can see this thing goes pretty fast, but these rims, they got to go. They're pretty sketchy. So found a set of 29-inch 12-gauge rims, and we're going to be throwing them on there. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, because next we're going to be checking out the Fat Moto.